Hello guys! Sa ito may video today maglalaro tayo ng Rogue. Ngayon ko na ito nilaro. Baka sabihin niya, hala! Oh my god! Nilaro pala ito ni Zion. Hindi wag. Ano to? Celsius na lang. Hindi ko ang ingay mo siya. Ay, okay. Ay, grabe naman. Yes, today is Ariana Grande comes to school. Huh? Mom won't let me go to school though. Huh? I should try ko busy. Okay. Gabi naman, hindi pa ako nakakapasok. So, si Ariana, ma'am, I'm the best son ever. And totally not sick at all. Oh, you have a fever. Or should we check again? 40 Celsius. Yep, says you got a fever. Stay home. Cause it colder. I know that's awful. Well, anong gagawin natin at si Ariana Grande? Ay, kasi yung ma-visit si Ariana Grande. Pumunta sa school, ganun? Well, hindi ko alam. Window ko dito. Hey, agad mo. What? Can you check my temperature again? Please. I photo that. Hindi ko. 38 Celsius. Yep, a bit less. But still a fever. Binabasa ko na sa mata. Basahin nyo na lang. Kasi, hindi ko mabasa. Ayun. Hala. Light. Ito, light. Okay. Objective. Talk to him. Ay, ganun din to sa need more money. Di ko makita sa sarili ko. Oh, yes, son. The temperature 34 Celsius. You get a fever. Really alright about how about 30 of the haters. Huh? Haters? Are you a hater? Nainit na ulo mo? Ay, ako pala. Ito ay haters. Ay, haters pala yan. Sige, akala ko ilaw to. May heater pala dito. Saan may heater? Yun okay. Talk to dad. Sure. Now I still believe that there might be a possibility that they might being broken and so could you check the temperature? 38 says, still a fever, go back to sleep. Oh, still not letting me? Alright then, how about turning on the fans? Fans? Grabe naman yung ambagal. Tawag mo dyan, fan? CR may fan. Walang fan sa CR. Oh my god, may fan dito. You're wasting electric. Hey mom. No, but what's wrong? Nothing. 12 Celsius. Sun stop bothering players. This is not good. It's being cold. I know the fireplace is staring at her shower. Be! Ano pupunta ka sa take on the fire. Huh? Take out, kukunin natin yung fire sa ano, fireplace. Ito. Pick up bucket. Bubuhos natin yung tubig sa ano. Sakso dyan, char. My dear mother, could you use the exquisite mortar? Di ba, okay. Thank you, dear mother. Ready siya, dear. 6 Celsius. Take a cold shower, son. Great idea. Nagagawin sa cold water. Let's go. Faucet. Feeling ko late ka na. Yeah. Bala ko. Ay, Andres! Wait, saan tayo mag-Andres? Andres. What? Bay, ano to? Wala ko. T-shirt. Ayun. Off-white. No. Gumblo ako. Okay, Mom, I'm certain now that I don't have a fever. Let me check the news, ma'am. 0 Celsius. When I was your age, my normal temperature was minus 2,000 Celsius. Ano yun? Breakfast. Kain na muna tayo. Ice cream. Ay, wow. Wow. Ito. Okay. Ako lang ba? Parang nag-iiba yata yung ano din. I eat breakfast now, but I feel colder. Ayoko na. Okay. Ano. Ayoko magbasa. Bakasyon namin. Bakit ako? Joke. May bakasyon. Or siyang ice. Where's the ice? Ventilation. Kasi ventilation. Please. Okay, malinis pa rin. Okay, what is this? Ano to? This ice. We are wasting time. Ice. Saan tayo kukuha ng ice? Diyan lang yung ice tray. Let's go. What do you want? We just did. Put ice in the ventilation. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Nasa loob ba? Ito ba tayo sa loob? Ay, siya yan. Vent. Wala vent? Yeah. Ice tray with water. I know. Nilagyan ko na sa fridge. Oh my god, I just visit and met. Ayun lang pala. Hindi ko kasi tinitignan yung objection. Objectively. Mother, I don't care. Oh, explode the rock heater in the rock. Heater in rock. Tawag yung tobacco yun. Stay here. Do you want to know? You can talk. Ay, sabi ko na. Burn! Hindi ko ito nilagawa mo. Di mo na naman i-hit niya kasi wala ka mo. Ako lang ba? Parang lumalamig dito. Richard. Napapagod na ako, nangangalay na ako, Char. Fill the pool with liquid nitrogen. Saan tayo kukuha ng liquid nitrogen? In garage. Classic sound effects yan. Boing, 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 boing. Ay, ay. Lalumamig, tignan mo. Let's swim. Patay na tayo man. Boing, 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 boing. Find something in shop. In the shop? May shop dito. Where's the shop? Ito ba yun? Hi! Hey, do you want the kit codes? Yes. Million! Oh, mama. Ito ba yan? Sira ang bahay! Pumunta dito, tsaka pumunta dyan. Talk to dear. Talk. It's a prank. Water? Don't you feel cold? Just say that you like to reach out to bida-bida. Bida-bida. Bida-bida ang saya. Ba't ganyan? Dami, ba't ganyan? Dami is boss. Diba? Ay, buzz. Properly. Skibali. Sorry. Bisa mo 2020 lang ngayon Celsius eh. Blanket of this. Huh? Ariana Grande. Need more coke. Boom. Okay na. Eh, gawin niya. What? Yay! Go to school. Let's go. Oh my god. Yay! Ay, boom. Good ending. Good ending, baby. You got to meet Ariana Grande. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.